And we're off. Camper van collected.
Whoop, whoop. You'll have to turn it around so you can see it. We're going to Skye. We've never been to Skye. I'm excited to go to Skye because we're going to go to the fairy pool. This bus is really close. Ugh, I don't like buses.
Did we sleep last night? Nope. Are we going to have an afternoon nap today? Yes. Is it still raining? Yes. Might it be hailstoning? Yes. Sky is windy, wet and cold so far. Tea is life. Morning, sleepy face.
Morning. Can you take it off me? Thank you.
Since you've got out of bed, it stopped raining. We might look alone, but actually we're on a campsite. There is a van here. There's a cabin here. And there are a lot of motorhomes here. But we have a really good spot. With actually an uninterrupted view. We have steak because we do fancy camper vans. Okay, let's get ready for bed. Last night we slept in the upstairs bit pop top, but it gave us really bad backache, so tonight we decided to try the camper van special flatbed. But it also means we have to move all the stuff. So unfortunately, because we came up on the train, we don't have any Pinterest friendly bedding. We had to hire bedding from the campervan people.
Plain grey.
So it's grey and sleeping bags, which somebody else has probably slept in, which is pretty gross, but we're just rolling with it. I'm actually excited though to sleep tonight. Let's move these pillows for the moment.
Dog.
And we'll use the duvets as
Yeah.
duvets again. Oh, this is so exciting. We're gonna be so cozy. Oh man. Ta-da! We filled the van up with petrol and we're gonna go and drop off the van back.